তাহলে ক্যাপাসিটর ইন সিরিজ কম্বিনেশন, সিরিজে C1 C2 C3 ক্যাপাসিটেন্স আর চার্জ C1 के लिए Q1 C2 Q2 C3 Q3 चार्ज, but potential constant, potential के V, so we can write V1 equals to Q by C1. V1 equals to Q by C1. V2 equals to Q by C2. Potential V3 equals to Q by C3. Look at this. Each capacitor receives a charge of magnitude Q and each of its plates potential across the separate capacitor are given by V1 equals to Q by C1, V2 Q by C2, V3 Q by C3. But potential difference across the series combination of capacitor is V. Like, but potential difference across the series combination, across the series combination, potential difference across the series combination of capacitor is V volt. But potential difference across the series combination of capacitor is V volt. So we can write V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here यहाँ पे equation number 1 and यहाँ पे equation number 2 लीजिए. Let next time let CS equals to equivalent capacitance. CS equivalent capacitance. CS হচ্ছে equivalent capacitance of series combination equivalent capacitance of series combination. So we can write V equals to Q by CS. We can write V equals to Q by CS. इसका नंबर 3 number equation. Now comparing 1, 2, 3. Now comparing equation 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3 equation comparing, we can write Q by CS equals to V का वैल्यू क्या हुआ Q by CS, V1 का वैल्यू Q by C1 प्लस V2 का वैल्यू Q by C2 प्लस V3 Q by C3. Next line Q common, so 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Both side Q cut. So finally 1 by CS equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. It is the basic equation of capacitance connected in series combination. Basic equation of capacitance connected in series combination. Basic equation of capacitance connected in series combination. But in short form, we can also write CS 1 by CS equals to summation of I equals to 1 to N 1 by Ci. I means integer number. I means integer number. Integer number means pehla, if we can put here 1, that means C is C1, next C2, next C3, next C4, dot up to Cn. पहले C यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव 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 पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव. पहले these three capacitors C1, C2, C3 connected in parallel combination. Their common potential V. Common potential V. They consist of charges. यहाँ पे चार्ज Q1 बाबू, यहाँ पे चार्ज Q2, यहाँ पे Q3. So we can write total charges. Total charges बाबू. Total charges Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Equation number 1. Next देखिए, total charges Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, equation number 1. Now if Cp means equivalent capacitance. Equivalent capacitance in parallel combination. In parallel combination. Equivalent capacitance in parallel combination. It is called Cp. So Q equals to Cp into V. We can write Q equals to Cp into V. But we also know here Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. ठीक है, देखिए Q1 इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा, Q1 इक्वल्स टू C1 इंटू V, Q2 इक्वल्स टू C2 इंटू V, Q3 equals to C3 into V. Putting all the value in equation number 1. Putting all the value in equation number 1. So from where? From 1 at number equation. Then Q means Cp into V equals to Q1 means C1V plus Q2 means C2V. Q3 means C3V. Then a common V, we can write C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then a CPV equals to V into C1 plus C2 plus C3. Both sides V cut. Finally equation क्या आया, C1 Cp equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. It is the equation of equivalent capacitance for parallel combination of capacitor. We can also write this equation. बाबू. This Cp equals to, देखिए, summation of I equals to 1 to n Ci. I means integer number. It's starting from 1 and up to reach at n. Then what is the basic difference between series and parallel connection in capacitor? देखिए, in series, like basic difference between series connection of capacitor and parallel connection of capacitor. Basic difference, series and parallel babu. Very important topics. Series and parallel. What is the basic difference between series and parallel connection? series and parallel connection capacitor. Series and parallel connection capacitor. First important, charge on each capacitor is same series. Series A charges on each capacitor is same. Charges on each capacitor is same. Number 1. Parallel connection potential difference. Potential difference across each capacitor is same. Across each capacitor is same. Potential difference across each capacitor is same. ठीक है. Number 2 equation series connection है. In series connection V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. But in parallel connection, total charge Q, parallel connection है, Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Number 3 differences. 1 by CS equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. In parallel combination, CP equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. CP equals to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is the basic difference between series connection of capacitor with parallel connection of capacitor. Look at this. Energy is stored in a capacitor, Babu. Answer. Energy of a charged capacitor. The energy of a charged capacitor. The energy of a charged capacitor is measured by the total work done. Energy of a charged capacitor is measured by the total work done in charging the capacitor. In charging the capacitor to a given potential. Then the energy of a charged capacitor is measured by the total work done in charging the capacitor to a given potential. Let V be the potential difference between two plates. V potential difference between two plates. V is the potential difference between two plates. So charge Q equals to CV. V is the potential difference between two plates. Charge Q equals to CV. When additional small charge dq, देखिए when additional small charge dq is transferred dq is transferred from negative plate to positive plate, from negative plate plate to negative plate to positive plate. From negative plate to positive plate. So for these small charges, obviously a small work done is given. For these small charges here, a small work done is given. पहले work done, a small work done dW equals to V into dQ. V into dQ, small work done dW equals to V into dQ. पहले V means Q by C into dQ. V means Q by C into dQ. Number E, Roman 1. Now total work done, Babu. Now total work done. Total work done W equals to integration 0 to Q. Q by C into dQ. W equals to integration 0 to Q. Q by C into dQ. Look at this. Q by C into dQ. Next line, 1 by C constant, integration 0 to Q, Q into dQ. Here we actually charge starting from 0 and up to reach at Q. So we can write 0 to Q, Q into dQ. 0 to Q, Q into dQ. Next line, work done W equals to 1 by C. इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू क्यू क्यू डी क्यू, इसके इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा जो क्यू टू दी पावर 1 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस 1. क्यू सिंगल डिजिट, इसके ऊपर कोई नंबर नहीं है, दैट मीन्स 1. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू इंटीग्रेशन वी कैन राइट हियर 1 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 प्लस 1. रेंज क्या होगा 0 टू क्यू. नेक्स्ट लाइन 1 बाई सी into Q square by 2. 0 to Q. 0 to Q. So W equals to 1 by C into Q square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. पहले work done W equals to 1 by C into Q square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. Next line, W equals to Q square by 2C. पहले वर्क डन W इक्वल्स टू Q स्क्वायर बाई 2C. देखिए दिस वर्क डन इज स्टोर्ड एज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी U and this work done, right, this work done is stored as electric potential energy U. This work done is stored as electric potential energy. This work done is stored as electric potential energy U. Electric potential energy U. So U equals to Q square by 2C. U equals to Q square by 2C. Look at this. पहले this work done is stored as electric potential energy U, so we can write U equals to Q square by 2C. Q means CV. We also know that Q equals to CV, so we can write U equals to Q means CV इसका whole square divided by 2C. So we can write C square V square divided by 2C. Finally, U equals to half CB square, Babu. U equals to half CB square. Half CB square, it is the energy stored in a capacitor. It is the equation of energy stored in a capacitor. The equation of energy stored in a capacitor, say U equals to half CB square. We can also write here U equals to हाफ इंटू सी, हाफ इंटू देखिए सी बी इंटू भी, Q equals to CV, so we can write half into Q into V. It is also right. पहले U equals to half into Q into V. Box U equals to half into Q into V. It is also the equation of work done, and it is also the equation energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor दोनों फॉर्मूला ना, तीन फॉर्मूला एक्चुअली। फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला क्या हुआ, जे U इक्वल्स टू Q स्क्वायर बाय 2C, एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन ए कैपेसिटर। नंबर 2 फॉर्मूला U इक्वल्स टू हाफ CV स्क्वायर। नंबर 3 फॉर्मूला U इक्वल्स टू हाफ इनटू Q इनटू V। तीनों फॉर्मूला बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है बाबू। नेक्स्ट, पहले कीपिंग द वोल्टेज ऑफ चार्जिंग सोर्स, व्हाट वुड बी द परसेंटेज चेंज in the energy stored in a parallel plate capacitor if the separation between its plate were be decreased by 10%. Look at this. Actually we know energy E equals to half CV square. Half CV square, C means capacitance, B means potential. नेक्स्ट लाइन देखिए, C इक्वल्स टू पैरेलल प्लेट के लिए क्या होगा, एप्सिलॉन नॉट A बाई D. इट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. सो वी कैन राइट हियर C का वैल्यू एप्सिलॉन नॉट A बाई D इनटू V स्क्वायर। पहले हाफ इंटू एप्सिलॉन नॉट A बाई D इंटू V स्क्वायर। एप्सिलॉन नॉट A बाई D इंटू V स्क्वायर। पहले नेक्स्ट लाइन U2 बाई U1। लुक एट दिस, U2 बाई U1, एक्चुअली U is inversely proportional to D. Here U is inversely proportional to D. So we can write U2 by U1 equals to D1 by D2 because U inversely proportional to D. From here, U equals to half into epsilon naught A by D into V square. So U2 inversely proportional to D2, U1 inversely proportional to D1. ठीक है, देखिए the separation between its plate will be decreased by 10%. Separation decreased by 10%. That means if original plate का separation 100 हुआ, now decrease 10% means 90. If original 100, so after 10% decrease it will be 90. It will be 90. Next, we can write 10 by 9. 10 by 9. So देखिए del U by U1, del U by U1, del U माने U2 minus U1 divided by U1. That means U2 by U1, U2 minus U1 divided by U1. ठीक है, we can also write here U2 by U1 minus 1, U2 by U1 minus 1, ठीक है ना, U2 by U1 minus 1, ताकि U2 by U1 means 10 by 9 minus 1, 10 by 9 minus 1, that means क्या हुआ बाबू, 1 by 9 हुआ, माइनस करके फाइनली क्या आया, जो 1 by 9, 1 by 9. सो फाइनली आंसर क्या हुआ, देखिए फाइनली आंसर क्या हुआ, फाइनली आंसर del U by U1 into 100% equals to क्या हुआ, जो 1 by 9 into 100%. 1 by 9 into 100% means 100 by 9 means 11.1%. 11.1%. It is the answer. It is the right answer. पहले A to B figure calculate the equivalent capacity calculate the equivalent capacity of the system in this figure. And on the basis of this figure, calculate the equivalent capacitance. तो पहले देखिए इसका नॉर्मल फिगर क्या हुआ। इस फिगर को सिंप्लीफिकेशन अगर करेंगे क्या हुआ, 2 माइक्रोफैराड और 2 माइक्रोफैराड। देखिए 2 माइक्रोफैराड डैश 2 माइक्रोफैराड, पहले 2 माइक्रोफैराड यहाँ पे 2 माइक्रोफैराड है, अरे यहाँ पे 2 माइक्रोफैराड और 2 माइक्रोफैराड। टू माइक्रोफैराड यहाँ पे एट माइक्रोफैराड बैटरी कनेक्टेड होगा। देखिए द कैपेसिटर ऑफ कैपेसिटी लिखिए, द कैपेसिटर ऑफ कैपेसिटी 8 माइक्रोफैराड is removed. The capacitor of capacity 8 microfarad is removed. The capacitor of capacity 8 microfarad is removed and terminal AB connected in battery. Terminal A and B connected in battery. Terminal AB connected in battery. It follows the symmetry of condition. यहाँ पे क्या देखिए 2 माइक्रोफैराड, यहाँ पे 2 माइक्रोफैराड है, ऊपर वाला जो है 2 माइक्रोफैराड, फिर यहाँ पे 2 माइक्रोफैराड, यहाँ पे 2 माइक्रोफैराड. Both are connected in this battery. ठीक है, any capacitor connected between C and D will not carry any charge. Connected between C and D will not carry charge. This point का नाम C, this point का नाम D. CD. लिखिए दे, any capacitor connected, any capacitor connected between C and D, any capacitor connected between C and D will not carry any charge. Will not carry any charge. Will not carry any charge. So capacity of each branch. So capacity of each branch. Capacity of each branch क्या हुआ? 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2 microfarad. 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2 microfarad. That means क्या हुआ 1 microfarad. अच्छा, ये कैसे आएंगे देखिए, ये 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Look at this, Babu. Actually, 1 by CS equals to 1 by C1 by C2. पहले 1 by C1 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1 by CS. देखिए इसका LCM 2 into 2 2 into 2 2 plus 2, ठीक है ना. So CS equals to क्या हुआ 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. From here it will come. ठीक है. CS equals to 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2. That means series combination. इसलिए 1 microfarad. The two branches are in parallel, but two branches. But two branches are in parallel. But two branches are in parallel. So total capacity C equals to C1 plus C2, that means 1 plus 1. C1 plus C2, that means 1 plus 1. I need 2 micro. Total capacity 2 microfarad, that is the answer. Okay, bye.